In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Gmail settings with ease, ensuring you have full control over your email experience. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Gmail, knowing where to find settings can make a big difference in how efficient your interactions with emails can become. First things first, you'll want to access your Gmail account. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in gmail.com. Once the login page loads, enter your email address and password to access your account. After logged in, you're ready to dive into the settings. On the right-hand side of the Gmail homepage, just above the email list, you'll notice a small gear icon. This represents the Settings menu and serves as your gateway to a range of customization options. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you two options. The first option is Quick Settings, which allows you to make some immediate adjustments, such as changing the theme or adjusting inbox type and density. However, for more detailed settings, you'll want to choose the second option, which is See All Settings. Clicking on this will lead you to a full page of settings categories including General, Labels, Inbox, Accounts and Import, Filters and Blocked Addresses, Forwarding and Pop IMAP, Add-ons, Chat and Meet, Advanced, and Offline. Once you're here, the General tab will likely be the first one you encounter. This section allows you to manage everything from your language preferences to the default text style for composing new emails. You can adjust the maximum page size, making it easier to navigate through long email threads. Exploring this section can help you tailor the basics of Gmail to suit your everyday needs. The Labels tab is another key area where you can modify and control how your emails are organized and labeled. Here, you can create new labels, show or hide them in the label list, and decide how prominently they should feature in your navigation bar. Having your emails neatly labeled and categorized can greatly enhance productivity, especially if you handle multiple projects or receive dozens of emails daily. Moving on to the Filters and Blocked Addresses section, this is where you can create rules to manage your incoming mail. From automatically forwarding emails from specific senders to a separate folder to blocking unwanted addresses, filters help maintain a tidy inbox. Spending some time here is worthwhile for a clutter-free email experience. Lastly, don't forget to explore the remaining tabs to customize aspects such as how you connect your Gmail account to other services, tweak chat and meet settings, or even manage mail for offline access. Every bit of customization you do here enhances your day-to-day Gmail usage, making your interactions swift and effective. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of Gmail settings to ensure your correspondence is managed just the way you prefer. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital life.